Foxy loves the stars. Hello Foxies, welcome to Origami. Today we'll be making these cute little stars. So let's get started. Links for the star are below the video in the description box. We'll cut these two stars. Now we've printed out these two stars and we will glue them together. Put the glue all around her, but not here. We'll put there a thread. And now put the other star very carefully on this star. Very precise. Do not hurry. And now the star is glued together, but you see, even though we were precise, here's an excess and we will cut that out. Now we will use a ruler to help us make straight lines. We will put it here, here and here. Start right here. We will put it a little bit beneath the line. A little bit. Now we fold it. Put away the ruler. Use your nail to have a really straight line. Now unfold it. This line here. So again, a little bit down, like half a millimeter. Make this small line. Fold it. Unfold it. Take it away. Fold it again. Make a really straight line with your nail. Unfold it. And last one on this side, right here. Unfold it. Now turn around the star. And now we will fold this side, and this side. Again, use a ruler, put it a little bit beneath this line, just a half a millimeter. Now fold it very firmly, fold it very well. Put the ruler away, make a really straight line with your nail. Be careful, this end. Now unfold it, make another one, like this, be careful, don't hurry, you see it's not straight here. Fold the last one. This. Put the ruler away and make the line with nail. Unfold it, and the star is finished. We'll use our fingers to make it nice. Ta-da! We will use a thread. I'm using pink one for the pink star. We will make a knot in the end. So I do a knot like this. And now I'll place it in the star. Remember, we left one side open. Now we have to find which one. This one. Yes. We'll open it a little bit. Oh, we could place it. We will use our glue again. Now we will place the thread inside. Remember to have it in the top and press firmly. Turn the star. You could put it wherever you want. On the tree, on the window. Hope you like it. If you like this video, please subscribe and have a beautiful day. Bye bye. Our Foxy loves the stars. Hope you will too.